Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a Walmart grocery haul. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So we didn't really need too many things. So yeah, this isn't a really big grocery haul, so this video is gonna be short and sweet. I got 2 things of great value juices. This is a strawberry lemonade, and then I got a tropical punch. And these are like $1. They're really good. They taste just like the I can't think of the name of them right now. But they taste just like the name brand, whatever that is. They taste just like the Conquer grape jelly. I got some more of my iced coffee. And now that I've tried other color coffee, like they have purple, green, brown, a gold color, I don't even know which one I like anymore. But this one is a good one. We needed some rolls. I got a pack of these dinner rolls. These are delicious. I got a bag of mixed vegetables, a bag of tilapia. Do y'all eat tilapia? What kind of fish do y'all like? Because, you know, they say the tilapia is a farm-raised fish. Like, you can't just go out into a natural body of water and find tilapia. It's like a man-made fish. That's what they say. But, hey, I love it. Where do we go next? I got 2 boxes of these ham and cheese Hot Pockets. A bag of French fries. Got the great value thin cut fries. We needed some more popsicles because here in Georgia, baby, it's scorching hot. So I try to keep these on hand. Of course, my favorites, energy drinks, Alani. I got 2 of the Dream Float. This is my favorite flavor. And then I tried this one the last time, the Cosmic Stardust. I really don't know what this tastes like, but it's good. It's kind of like blueberry flavored. That's what I got from it when I drank it, blueberry. Have the Texas toast garlic bread. Another thing of hash browns. If you all watch my grocery hauls, you know I rave about these because, baby, these are McDonald's hash browns. You cannot tell me that these are not McDonald's hash browns. A thing of corn. I got a bag of the pepper and onion blend. I use this in a lot of recipes, so I try to always keep a bag of that. We needed some more ketchup and mustard. Now, you'll notice I got great value ketchup, but I got Heinz mustard. Some things you can go the cheap route with, and some things you can't. Mustard, the great value mustard is disgusting. It's watery. It doesn't even taste like mustard. So we got to get the real stuff. I got a can of cream of mushroom soup. A pack of sausages. Everybody loves Georgia boys. I am a Roger Wood girl at heart, so this is what we got. I got some eggs. A taco kit. This right here is the best sweet tea, hands down. Milo's extra sweet tea. You gotta get the purple one. Don't get that green one. Get the purple one. Over here, we got some peanut butter and jelly because, yes, the kids are still home for summer. So they need to do some sandwiches, baby. And then I got the Flamin' Hot mix of chips this time. This has the Flamin' Hot Fritos, Flamin' Hot Doritos, of course, Hot Cheetos, Hot Cheeto Puffs, and it wouldn't be right without the hot fries. So we got this, and somebody done already busted in there, baby. They don't waste no time. Got 2 pizzas, the Rising Crust 3 meat, and then I got the thin crust Philly cheesesteak pizza, and these are good too. They're about $4, so that is a really good deal if you have a lot of kids like myself. And then we needed some more waters, so I just got the 40-pack purified drinking water. I don't really care if it's purified or spring water. I don't discriminate. Water is water, but some people don't like purified water. There's some people that just drink spring water, and to each his own. But as far as me and my house, baby, we're gonna get it down how we get it down. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this grocery haul. Like I said, we didn't need too much. Just a little restock on some of the things that I ran out of. If you have made it to the end of the video, make sure you hit a like for your girl because it's free. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, y'all. My little channel is growing. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, and consistency is paying off. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and thank you all for tuning in each and every time I post a new video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.